Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be showing you how to set up your Sonoran CAD. Sonoran CAD is the CAD system that we use for CSN for any LEO activities, medical, or arresting people. This is where you log your arrest reports, vehicle citations, civil citations, and so forth. Now, I'm going to show you the simplest way to set up your CAD. Your browser. And you want to go directly to my account. Oh, my Sonoran account. So accounts.sonoransoftware.com. If you've used this system before, you want to make sure that you log in with Discord first. So for now, we're always going to log in with Discord first. It's going to redirect you, authorize. Now that you're in your account center, what you want to do is go to manage account. Make sure that you have an email listed here. If you don't have an email in this box right here, you are going to type it in or set one. And then you're going to go down to security. If you don't know your password, you will have to log out and then press forgot password, input the email, and recover password. Pretty self-explanatory, right? You'll all go open up your Gmail. Yeah, pretty simple. And then once you have your account set up, you can use your email and then put in your password and then log in. Now, next, you can close that. We don't need this tab no more. We're going to go to cms.carolinastate.net. Enter. As you can see, we're on cms.carolinastate. You can join the Discord or join our server. What you want to do first is log in. For anything web related, if you already have your Sonoran and email linked, you'll be fine. But for now, I'm just going to log in with Discord. Now that I'm logged in, I can see the community that I'm in. And to double check that your Discord and CSN CMS is linked, you want to go to your community profile. And here you will see your permissions. So as you can see, you got staff, and I got my permissions and also my LEO certification. Now, if we go to right here where it says CSN CAD, this is Sonoran CAD. Now, there are three ways that you can use this. You can either use this on the web page itself. As you can see, you can log in right here and then go to the community menu. Or I preferably like the downloaded version, which is also free. This also links with your radar in game. So if you're using a radar, you'll like anything that like if I log onto a plate, it'll automatically look up the plate for me. While we load in, quick to our civilian, real quick. So a lot of people get this wrong, but for me, I always register all my private LEOs under DHS Federal, so I have them registered. Now, my main character, Cipher, you can add a picture like that. You can, whenever you're, oh, hold on. Let's minimize that. So whenever you're typing in information here, make sure that you try to stay consistent. Do all this first. Put your age, 20 things. Make sure everything checks out. So put your eye color, light, height. For emergency contact, we don't really need to put anything if you don't have an emergency contact. But this is not for your number. This is supposed to be for your emergency contact, but nobody uses this. So you can put your number here. And for a relationship, please don't put single. It's It's the relationship of the emergency contact, not the if you're in a relationship. I've seen a lot of people do that. But yeah, hopefully heck can, because all this is editable, so hopefully we can get rid of this emergency contact, keep the phone number, and get rid of that, obviously. All right, save. Now, right here, if you go to records, you'll see all the vehicles that I have. Oh, where are my records? Oh, there we are. I was about to say someone deleted my registered. All right, so these are other vehicles I have registered to myself. In game, you can do t/reg, and that will register automatically. But you do need to be in the civilian page on the CAD tablet, and I'll show you in a second. For your license, pretty self-explanatory. Always try to create a vehicle license, because yeah, a lot of people just have their civilian profile and that's it. All right, let's get in game. Now, when you first join, you will see a little API message up here. Ooh. To fix that, you want to do /show CAD to open up the CAD. I have it keybinded. You can do that through the 5M keybinds. So we're going to go here. And on the top right, we're going to go to settings. And this right here, if it doesn't say your Discord ID, then you need to delete it, add new, and put your Discord ID. And we're going to press that. We can say like that. We don't need to, I don't know why I press that, but these are your hotkeys. Now we're going to go back and we're so like if I were to log in with Discord, I will be presented with a black page. To fix that, can I refresh? Log in with your email. Now that we're signed in, now if you are on as a police officer, which most likely you are since you're watching this video, the way to set this, make sure that you have the ability to change your new unit. You want to press, well, type in identifier and then press enter, and it should say permission key applied. Now, you're gonna go here to police, and you should be able to edit your modified identifier. You want to put your call sign here, your name here. You can put your phone name or just like that. Your rank. This you can keep as basically your available. This you leave blank because the game automatically like finds your location. AOP you can leave blank as well. For the agency, you select what type of department. So any sub-departments would be FAA, CS.dot, CS.do. So for law enforcement, you got all our main departments, DHS. We don't have any subdivisions right now. So you can just leave that blank as well. Then press save. And there you go. To quickly, we can't make our own calls, unfortunately. Only dispatch can. You can do detach from a call if you're attached. So for example, say I'm going to look up one of my other characters. There he is, Mr. Makaruma. You can move this around. That's why I prefer using the actual application. As you can see, there is a bolo, but you can read the bolo. Wanted for training. Oh, okay, we can remove that. I forgot I did that. So for example, if I ever search it up and you can see that there's an active bolo. This is how you find the FBI's most wanted. FBI most wanted are always have a bolo out for them. Let's see, vehicle registration. You can find that. Now, if I were to, we don't have any custom reports, so we just do new record, vehicle citation. Oh, and these are all on here. You can see all your arrest reports on any bolos you've placed. So, an example, Emerson Hills. All right, so Mr. Emerson Hills, you look up their name here. Just press search. You find them. If they are not in like a registered civilian, you can just put their first and last and ask them how old they are and put their sex. Don't have to fill out this information, just leave it blank. If they have a registered vehicle, you would search it up. If they don't, you just put the license plate, type, and color. And if you know the model, make or model, go ahead. For charges, you just press add charge, look at the charge here through the whole list. You just add up the times and months, obviously. Another thing, instead of saying minutes, just say months, as because a minute equals a month. Now, for weapons, you just put what weapons they were found in, the type of arrest. You will put who, put him in cuffs and who arrested him. So, it was Agent Helmish. Since I'm writing the report, I'm the observant officer, and always listed as active. And wait for that. All right. Arrest report, bolos, warrants. So, for example, if I wanted to have a warrant out for Lucas, Macaruma. Oh. I'll put the charges, narratives, and I would put that as well. It's pretty simple. General citations are more for, so for example, speeding. Can put that, and this will go on the record as well. On the character's character. When dispatch is online, they would be doing this for you. Your panic button just sends a distress to anybody that has the CAD open, so you'll be able to hear it. So 030281, 10 or panic button 318 Riverfront Ave. But fun fact, actually, if they're not in the CAD, they can be deported to Cayo Perico since they are not a legal resident. Fun fact. So use that if you are an Border Patrol agent. You can use that. If you are not, but know someone that's a Border Patrol agent and want to give them some role play, you're welcome to, if they don't pop up in the system, just be like, hey, you're getting deported. I'm calling ICE on you. And then go from there. One more thing. If they are not in the CAD, you can let them go with a warning. You want to say something along the lines of, sir, it appears that you are not in the system, but at this time I will be letting you go with a warning. You can go to our government website at cms.carolinastate.net and set up your information from there. But if you are caught again, you will be deported if caught by ICE. Thank you for watching. My name is Agent Cipher with the Department of Homeland Security. Right now, at this current time, I am the training co-coordinator of the training division. The current date is 3/9/2025. This video is subject to change. We might have new stuff coming into the CAD. We might not. Something might get removed. So the training will change eventually. Use this as a resource for any department that you're in. This video is public, so anybody can access this video. If you need to contact me, feel free to DM me. I'll leave my Discord username in the description below. I'll also have the links for everything that was discussed in the video. Other than that, you guys have a nice day or night.